Morning YouTubers, Sawmill Bill 70 here, and I'm here down at the sawmill shed, and I just got done sharpening a blade. I didn't want to bore you with that, it's pretty boring. But anyway, I wanted to, I'm getting ready for tomorrow. We're going to be cutting up another big log, which is over here, right here. This is our next victim. I mean, you've seen me prepping this one. Probably a week ago I did. And, but anyway, that's our next project. My boy will be coming over tomorrow. And I shoveled out some sawdust over here. And I didn't want to bore you with that also, but I'll show you what I did. I could clean it up a little bit better, but it was pretty much all mounded up there. It's kind of nice with this open here. I can just shovel it right out, but don't know exactly what I'm going to do there. I might close off the ends here, like here, and up at the other end and leave the middle open. I don't know, but anyway, that's what we're doing today, is just getting ready. And I also wanted to say, John on frickin' Jeep, he got me onto this, and now I've got a collection of them too. They're turtles, and here they are. There's 7 of them. Now these aren't normal sized turtles. These are probably snappers, most of them. And they're not box turtles. This one here might be a box turtle, this one here, and that one. But the rest, that could be a box one right there, but the rest are pretty much snappers. So you got to watch you don't get bit by them. But hey, anybody who hasn't seen John's channel, you got to go over and click on it. And pretty interesting guy. I like watching him. I watch him all the time. But it's, you know, he talks a lot with his videos, and I like that. It keeps it interesting. So, anyway, right now that's going to do it for now. I think I might come over here and start cutting up some firewood. Yesterday you seen me get the new place ready for slab wood. I got some stuff over here I want to cut up right here. And I got a bunch of old bark here I want to pick up and throw in. But I think that's what I'll do next. And get that cleaned up there. Oh, guess what I see? Another turtle. Look at this. Look at that one. That's a nice one. Anyway, that's all for now. So I'll bring you along when I start cutting some firewood. Okay, my battery's dead. I don't know if you can see it. That's flashing red. So I'll load this up and then I'll get another battery and we'll load the other pile. Hey, looky here. I found another turtle. Alright, that's going to be it. So, I don't have enough room to put anything else in there without falling over, so I'm going to do it for this video. So everybody, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoyed the content. I know it's not a long video, but I am looking into another situation to better my internet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'll let you know when I decide something. But I'm just investigating right now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Okay. Up here at the new place I made for Firewood, and I just measured, and it looks like I'm going to need a canopy of an 8 by 10, and then I can probably bungee cord it down, and that'll just keep the rainwater off of it and stuff. So what I'm going to do now, I have to, let me bring it over here and show you. It's these boards here, I want to nail to the 4x6s. Well, one's a 6x6, the other one's a 4x6. Two of them are 4x6s. I want to nail them down. I probably really wouldn't have to, but you know, maybe I won't. I don't know. Once I start stacking wood on there, it's not going anywhere. So anyway, there's where the canopy's going to go on top. Now, I'm not crazy. I don't know. I'm not crazy about how these stick out. Gee, hate to hack on it, but it'd be better to cut that off, because that's just going to poke a hole in the tarp. And I don't know how good the tarp. I had some tarps. I got to see what I have. So anyway, I think I'm just going to start stacking it on there. There's no need to nail something down that, you know, this wood's going to rot up anyway, and I don't want to make it permanent, so. But it'll do for now. Okay, that's it for this video. So, once again, this is just an add-on when I was down to the sawmill shed, but this is a start. Not a beautiful stack, that's but it's a place to put it. And I gotta look for a tarp to put over top of that, so maybe when I do that I'll bring you along, but it's not gonna happen today. Gotta get ready. I will catch you all in the next video, so thanks for watching, appreciate it. And if you would please subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have a special going on today. So but anyway, appreciate you watching. Everybody have a great day. Catch you on the next one.